Get length of a list in a jinja2 template. How do I get the number of elements in a list in jinja2 template? For example, in Python and in jinja2.
You can also use this syntax in expressions like Jinja2's built-in filters are documented here, and specifically, as you've already found, length, and its synonym count, is documented too. Return the number of items of a sequence or mapping. So, again as you've found, products vertical bar count, or equivalently, products vertical bar length, in your template will give the number of products, length of list.
Alex's comment looks good, but I was still confused with using range. The following worked for me while working on a for condition using length within range.
I've experienced a problem with length of none, which leads to internal server error, type error, object of type none. A type has no len. My workaround is just displaying 0 if object is none and calculate length of other types, like list in my case.
If for loop with array is used, then you can use the following.
If you want to see one,